Hi, welcome back to Accent Ahmed. This is Coach Ahmed. We're going to be doing lesson 13 today, the American or ER sound in American English. Er, er, er. Let's look at here at example 1 with the word mother, surprise, prettier, standard. Mother, perform, grammar, forward, direction, confirmation, or comfort, forget, surprise, natural, culture, temperature. So we see the ers in all these words here. Let's practice more on example 4 here. Oh, excuse me. Example 3 here. Conserve, conservation, urbanize, urbanization, infer, inference. So you see here their high central lax vowel, is reduced vowel, is a full vowel. So therefore the is shorter and softer than . Now let's look at example 4 here with more words. Teacher, faster, surprise, forget, percent, direction, survival, performance, conversation, natural, temperature, order. And lastly, with example 5 with sentences, with understand teacher's direction. Did you understand the teacher's direction? And with the words interruption her conversation, please don't interrupt her conversation. Interview manager yesterday. In a sentence, I had an interview with the manager yesterday. Were surprised performance. My parents were surprised by my performance.